The organ played and we all stood up. He was sweating in his rented tux when in walked that beautiful bride in a long white dress and a smile. It's still clear as a bell right now. Her daddy cried and we sat back down. My old friend pulled his wedding vows out, took a deep breath, and he said, "You wanna know how I know we're gonna last?" He pointed at the sun shining through the one in the stained glass, and he said, "She loves him more than me, and that's why I love her. I look at her and see who hung the moon and stars above her. I don't mind second place. Ain't that amazing grace? She loves me faithfully, 'cause she loves him more than me." A little tailgate roadside produce stand. His dad said he was a vet in Vietnam. Tomatoes look good, business looks slow. We ended up talking for an hour or so. I got half a sack, but he wouldn't take a dime. He said I made his day, but the truth is he made mine. It might be just a couple bucks, it might be an old rusty truck, it might be I spent a little while or how you done smile. It don't mean much. It might be a 2-bedroom shack, might be an old pawn shop ring. It might not be anything, but it might be everything. Well, I met a pretty girl that I like a lot. Gonna try and give her all I got. Called to let her know I was on my way. Stopped and picked a little wildflower bouquet. Nah, she don't care if the money's real tight, long as she wants to go, then I'm gonna take her out tonight. It might be just a couple bucks, it might be an old rusty truck, it might be a first date front porch kiss on the lips. It don't mean much. It might be a 2-bedroom shack, might be an old pawn shop ring. It might not be anything, but it might be everything.